Bye, my loves.
Listen to the people who love you. Don't smoke.
We all believe we'd run into the burning building. But until we feel that heat, we can never know. You do. You chose to die instead of giving up your colleagues. That test you passed? Not everybody does. Welcome to the afterlife.
To do what I do, I need some idea of the threat we face.
As I understand it, we're trying to prevent World War III.
Nuclear holocaust.
No. Something worse.
All I have for you is a word. Tenet. It'll open the right doors, some of the wrong ones too.
You have to start looking at the world in a new way.
Don't try to understand it. Feel it.
What happened here?
Hasn't happened yet.
What does sueñito mean?
Sueñito. It means little dream.
That's it? No story?
All right, everybody sit down, sit down. It's a story of a block that was disappearing. In un barrio called Washington Heights. The streets were made of music.
I am Usnavi, and you probably never heard my name. Reports of my fame are greatly exaggerated. Morning, Usnavi. Pan caliente, café con leche.
On these blocks, you can't walk 2 steps without bumping into someone's big plan.
I'm making moves, I'm making deals, but guess what? What? You still ain't got no skills.
I've been saving up all my pennies in my piggy bank for this day.
This is going to be an emotional roller coaster. The odds are against you.
But there's a chance, right? A dream isn't some sparkly diamond. There's no shortcuts. Sometimes it's rough.
Yeah, I'm a street light choking on the heat. The world spins around while I'm frozen to my seat. The people that I know.
They're talking about kicking out all the dreamers.
But every day is different, so
it's time to make some noise.
We had to assert our dignity in small ways.
Shh. Just listen.
Little details that tell the world we are not invisible.
Ignore anyone who doubts you.
We came to work and to live, and we got a lot in common. DRPR, we are not stopping. Every day.
You know what my dad told me last night? He said that you got a full ride to Kansas. You just quit. Why?
My father didn't like me very much, and someone told him I was good at basketball, and he paid a lot more attention to me. And I realized it wasn't me that he loved. It was what I could do. I spent a lot of time hurting myself, trying to hurt my father. I never picked up the basketball again.
We need a new coach, Jack. You're the first person I thought of.
The team any good?
No.
In fact, the last time we made the playoffs, back when you were playing.
It's the whole team? 10 kids? You want to know why they're leaving you open? It's because they don't think you could hit the ocean from the beach.
Oh, snap.
Heard you're coaching basketball.
Keeps my mind off other things.
We don't decide the game. The players decide the game.
I understand you're trying to motivate the team, but we have a code of conduct.
Oh, bullshit!
I'm working on it. Work harder.
I got a feeling this team is not as bad as its record.
We have to trust each other. We have to have faith.
I just want you to be happy again. But you gotta want it too.
Don't underestimate the impact you can have on them.
You got this. No, don't just nod. I want to hear your voice. Yes or no?
Yes, Coach.
You're nervous. I get it. Truth is, they're more talented than you. Probably got a better coach. But I promise you, they are not a better team. Because they haven't been through what we've been through. They don't know adversity. They don't know what it's like to get knocked down, to have to get back up again. They don't know what it is to fight. Who are we?
We can't change the past, Jack. What we can do is choose how we move forward.
My life hasn't been what you probably think it has. We all have our struggles.
Have you ever been in love?
A long, long time ago. You?
So many times. Yeah, all the time.
Welcome to the future. Life is good, but it can be better. And why shouldn't it be? All you need is to want it. Think about finally having everything you always wanted.
I can save today, but you can save the world.
Steve.
Now, I take what I want in return.
Everyone will see.
The world needs you. You know what you need to do.
Nothing good is born from lies. And greatness is not what you think. It's all art. That's just a trash can.
It's just a trash can. Yeah.
Once a generation, the finest warriors must do battle to decide the fate of their realm. I, Shang Tsung, welcome you to Mortal Kombat.
If Shao Kahn wins this tournament, Earth as you know it will cease to exist.
Let Mortal Kombat begin!
I will win this tournament.
Let's see what you've got.
What is it you want?
To seek my revenge.
Scorpion, get over here! Really? Liu Kang. Sub-Zero. Sonya. Johnny Cage.
Here's Johnny! Goro!
Finish him. Mortal Kombat Legends, Scorpion's Revenge. On digital and Blu-ray.